Hey guys, it's me, Noelle. So sorry for the lack of videos. I know you're probably all like, what the heck, Noelle? You said a video a week and you haven't been doing a video a week. You're right, you are correct. I have been slacking on my videos, but I'm really trying to get back on it. So in this video, this chair doesn't really swivel like I would hope it to swivel. Anyways, in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to do a chalkboard calligraphy sign. This one I did for my friend's birthday party, and it says, memory jar, share a favorite memory you have with Sydney. This was just propped up on the party table, and there's a little mason jar, and people would walk up, write on a little slip of paper, you know, a memory they had with a birthday celebration. And it was super cute, and everyone said they loved the sign. And it was actually very simple to do. This board right here is a reusable chalkboard board. Chalkboard board, okay. This one right here is a reusable chalkboard. That's better. This one right here is a reusable chalkboard, so you can erase it. So like, okay, that was a fail, but I promise you it is reusable. This one is from the brand Exilo. I'm actually not positive where this is from because it's not my board. I'm doing it for a friend, but you could probably find a bunch online. The erasable ones are good because you can reuse them, such as this one that we're going to reuse today. This particular brand came with its own chalkboard markers, and it came with 4 colors: white, green, blue, and red. And I will try my best to find the link for this board and the markers online. So if you guys want to use this one, check the link in the description. Let us get into it. So here's the chalk marker that it came with. The directions say to push down on the tip, close the cap, and to shake it well. And then when you push down, ink should come flowing out. This chalkboard also came with an eraser, but I didn't have the eraser, so I'm just using a paper towel, and it works just as well. Good as new. I made a sketch of the board just so I could see what the end result would look like, and so I could space out the words and try out different fonts. I'm writing the words, help us build, emphasis on build, memories, please sign a Jenga block. Basically, people are going to sign Jenga blocks, and then they're going to make a frame with all of them. Don't forget to shake your pen before using it, because if you don't, you'll get streaky lines. But if you do shake it, you'll get really inky, beautiful, opaque writing, and that's what you want. This is not in the center. Ah! You could hear my little scream at the end because when I first wrote it, it wasn't in the center, and I'm a bit of a perfectionist, so I had to erase it and try again. Perfect, all done, looks amazing. Psych. Oh my god. I know you guys probably hate me. You're probably like, oh my god, why did you erase all of it? But I did not like how it looked for some reason, so I'm gonna try again. Ha ha ha. So here I'm showing you what happens when you press the tip down. As you can see, ink, a lot of ink actually comes out. Attempt number 2 or 3, counting that first little mess up. I didn't really like how the C or the K looked, so I redid it. Now I'm just going back in with the marker and filling in the spots that are kind of lacking, that could be darker, which is basically all of it. As you can see, the E and the L, the little empty parts, those are what streaky lines look like. And to me that just doesn't look good, so I'm just going over everything and making it all white. Also, pro tip, it's a really good idea to have a piece of paper or something underneath your hand while you're doing this, because you'll definitely smudge the writing underneath. It's happened to me multiple times. Just save yourself, use some paper. Just going in with a Q-tip, I'm just erasing some of the imperfections and the mistakes. This part's not really necessary, I'm just kind of extra like that. But if you're gonna do this, make sure the ink is dry before you do it. It erases a lot easier. If it's wet while you try to erase it, it's just gonna smudge it all over the place. Since I'm emphasizing the word build, I'm just going in doing full calligraphy. And this is the final result. If you guys like these kind of videos where I just show you my art projects, go ahead and leave me a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.